No finished malware file crossed the network. The add page made the browser build one instead. I've split the recipe into 4 tiles. Watch them lock into a new Windows executable. Then we'll check whether building meant running. It didn't. The chain starts with 2 clicks, not a 0-click browser exploit. First, the victim clicks the add. The landing page prepares the parts. A second click starts the download. Researchers counted 96 malicious domains across a campaign aimed at 12 countries, in 25 languages. Big footprint. Quiet delivery. Now rewind the assembly and inspect Tile 1. Tile 1 is the Decoy, a clean bun runtime, fetched from a second domain. Bun can legitimately package JavaScript into Windows executables. The campaign borrows that honest machinery. Clean foundation. Malicious build. But the runtime alone is not the payload. 3 tiles are still missing. The remaining tiles are a copy recipe, attacker-controlled Windows structures with malicious bytecode, and random filler generated inside the browser. The worker follows the recipe. It copies selected ranges from the cleaned runtime, the filler, and the attacker material into one file. On screen, the counter moves from 104 to 404. The order is the attack. Now the trick pays off. Each session can use a different seed and size, so the assembled file gets a different hash while keeping the malicious code. Simple hash matching loses value. Then a service worker streams the finished bytes as a normal attachment. The file lands on disk with mark of the web still present. Browser built? Yes. Browser escape? No. The browser built the download and stopped at the disk. The campaign's sharpest line is that no finished malware exists on the network. True but incomplete. The executable structures and malicious bytecode still cross the network. The browser supplies the assembly line. It does not make the attacker material disappear. So do not hunt only for one familiar file hash. Start earlier. Do not install trading or wallet software from an ad. Go to the vendor's own site. Block the ad delivery surface. Then inspect the sequence. Add referral, cloaked page, configuration, runtime fetch, browser worker, download. There is no special browser patch for this chain, because the report found no browser vulnerability. Updates still matter. They are not this fix. Here is the conviction pick. This is not a 0-click browser takeover. It is a 2-click download chain that turns legitimate browser features into a per-victim malware factory. Mark of the web remains. Execution was not demonstrated. That narrower claim is still ugly enough. By the time one finished file appears, the browser has already assembled it. 4 tiles. Clean runtime. Copy recipe. Attacker material. Random filler. 1 browser-built executable. Break the chain before assembly. Skip software ads. Use the vendor site. And inspect sequences, not only hashes. Subscribe for the next claim we pull apart on screen.